I bought some cheap vinyl in some dollar store and it's totally crap. It doesn't cut right. So I found a new way to reuse it. I got some cheap cardstock, as you can see, just plain white. And I will add this cheap vinyl on it, and then I have my own glittery cardstock to make some cute boxes and Valentine cards. Don't be too hard with the measuring, just measure it that it fits the paper. And the good thing about it is you can make it two-sided or just single-sided. For this project I made it two-sided just to see if it will cut right with my cutting machine, and it did. I will advise you, when you stick it on the cardstock, just be patient and do it slowly. Don't be too quickly with it, so you prevent bubbles in it. And the results are really great. As you can see, it is really smooth on the paper, and when you try to cut it as vinyl, it's just crap. But I was surprised by it, that it looked so good on paper. So if you have any cheap vinyl lying around that you don't use because it doesn't cut right, you might use it for some paper crafts. And in this video I will make a cute little chocolate box, and this vinyl was just perfect for it. Now that the vinyl is sticking on the cardstock, it's ready to put in the cutting machine. As you can see, it cuts really easy, and I cut it with my CRICUT, and I selected the light-weighted cardstock, and it just cut smoothly through it, as you can see. Two beautiful hearts that will be some embellishment or something on the box. As you can see, it's a really easy box, and you can make it, you can put your own things on it if you like. I made it for the chocolate stirrer, and it will fit good with my glitter mug. I don't know if you have seen that tutorial, but the idea was to put it with the mug. It's a really simple box template. You can buy it in my shop, and you just follow the dash lines, and just don't fold it all the way. You need to put on the hearts first, and if you fold it right away, then you don't get to put the hearts very stern on it. So just put the sides together that the box is complete, but just don't fold it into a box yet, and make sure you put everything on the box you wanted to before you fold it completely. And as you see, I just use double-sided tape because I don't prefer glue, but you can also glue it as well. But this is quicker and easier for me. I always, when I have more than one layer to put on a card or a box, I always make sure I put the layers on first before I put it on the box, like here. And of course you don't have to put the hearts on the box if you want to use it for anything else, but it's just a nice favor box, and you can make your own embellishments on it. And it's also really quick to make, so if you have a little party or just you want to give some small things or make someone happy with a little candy, this is the perfect box for it. And it's under 5 minutes, so it's quick and easy. I hope you like this video, and that the tips I gave you about the vinyl is any use to you. And I would appreciate it if you give a thumbs up to this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And there are lots of videos in my channel that give you great inspiration and tips and tricks on other projects. So happy crafting!